This video is going to go over how to multiply decimals. It's pretty much the exact same thing as regular multiplication. You just have to put the decimal back in at the very last step. So let's go ahead and start on the first one. It's 0.72 or 72 hundredths multiplied by 4. We're literally just going to think of it as 72 times 4 and multiply it like I taught you how to do last week. So you'll start with this, 4 times 2, which is 8. Then you'll do this. 7 times 4 is 28. And then 4 times 0, 0 plus the 2 would be 2. The final answer is not 288 though, because I still have to go back in and put my decimal. Sorry about that. So what you do is you count how many digits were behind a decimal point in the two numbers that you multiplied. So in 0.72 and 4, only one of them was a decimal, and there were 2 digits behind the decimal point. So you'll start at the back of your number, and you'll go twice to the left. It would belong right here. Let's do a harder one. So it's 6.3 times 2.9. We're going to just think of it as 63 times 29. So 9 times 3 is your first step. It's 27. Then you're going to do 9 times 6, which is 54 plus 2, so 56. Still have to put a filler 0, but I am done with my 9. I'm also done with that too. 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 6 is 12. Just like last week, you'll add it together now. So that would become 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you have 1,827. Now you have to go back in and put your decimal where it goes. So this time we were multiplying 2 decimals, and each of them had 1 digit behind the decimal point. So that's a total of 2 digits behind decimals. You'll start at the back and move it twice to the left. Let's just do one more, and then you're going to be responsible for finishing the last 3. So 0.64 times 3.2. We're going to start right here with 2 times 4, that's 8. 2 times 6, that's 12. Whoops, and then 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. I'm done with the 2. I'm going to put a filler 0 and start again. 3 times, I'm also done with this. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1 would be 19. 3 times 0 plus 1 is 1. Add, you have 8, 4, that'd be 10. I did the math really fast, but that's just because you guys should know how to multiply by now. When I go look at my 2 decimals, I have 2 digits behind the decimal point here and 1 here. So that's a total of 3 digits behind decimals. So I'm going to start at the back and go 3 places to the left. Your final answer would be 2 and 48 thousandths. You're going to be responsible for finishing these 3. When you're done, you're going to bring it up to me, and I'll give you a stamp if it's right, and then we'll turn it in.